got a dilemma here. We got major ice buildup. Oh my God. What am I gonna do with that? How thick that is. Holy shit. Anybody else got that problem? We got major heat loss here. Major. How far back it is. That's got to be a lot of weight. All right. Oh, that's lovely. They're all breaking. Well, look what that does. Oh, froze. Oh, just need something to hold them. Maybe get a goddamn vice grips out here. Clamp it right to the roof. Okay. Don't. Two of them. Maybe it'll work. Maybe not. Oh, shit. Come on. Hey. Oh, oh. Alright. I can double. You know, but it's all the way on the other side too. Oh, shit. Oh, that's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to go on the fucking roof. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Holy shit, that whole thing just slid. Okay, I'm going back down. Don't fall. Oh, please don't fall. Oh, Amanda's on her way home. That's good. Oh, shit. Okay, I'm getting down. This fucking house. watch out. So close. Come on. Nice. Ah! What are you doing? Yeah, I know. I have no idea if this is gonna work. There's no weight holding it down. I know there's a method to this madness as well. Okay guys, so it's the next day. After I showed you that ice dilemma we have, I went out there last night. Amanda got home. We put about 9 socks filled with rock salt up there, all the way around the house. And I also got that heated wire over the roof. So I haven't seen what happened, if anything. So let's go check it out together, huh? It's already snowing again. We're supposed to get 10 inches tonight. What the fuck? Okay. Not much going on there. What in the hell is this? Are you kidding me? What am I looking at right now? I don't even know. That's the wire. Holy shit. Oh my god, that's like... What the hell? Why is that happening? It's gonna break the wire. Whoa, it's pulling it down. Oh my god, that's heavy. Oh. Oh. Well, it's definitely... Oh man, this is not good. That's warm. Wow. This was stupid. What the hell do I do with this? Okay, I'm gonna have to go and get a hammer here. Okay. All right. I'm gonna double layer it. I'm gonna wrap this back around. But yeah, look at the water coming off. I definitely cut a hole, melted a hole through, give it a place for the water to go. I think I know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so yesterday I had a problem with the bottom slipping out on the ladder, so I'm climbing up. I got the ladder sort of stabilized on the four-wheeler here. I'm gonna climb up there and move that cable, that heated cable around, rearrange it a little bit. See what I got going on here. But first just free. Well, I'm gonna have to go up there and do that. Alright, here we go. Cable really did a lot, actually. Quite a lot. I'm gonna have to kind of loop it. Oh man, I don't want to go up there. I made it. Let's put this camera somewhere here. Alright, oh god, this is slippery. You know, let's see here. Got all this cable right here that isn't barely being used for anything. We do this a little bit. Those socks, they're doing something, but not much. Maybe I should make it go all the way to the end here. Let's give it a try. See what happens with that. I'm gonna have to get 2 more of these. It's like 40 bucks a pop. One on above the eave, above the patio door, going all the way over to, well, from there to there, and one down there. Fun. 80 bucks down the drain. Should make the landlord pay for it. Hey guys, so it's the 11th of February and we're having the biggest snowstorm. 12th? We've had all year. We already got 6 inches of snow and it is just coming down. It's bad. Alright guys, so it's getting pretty bad. This storm is just starting to pick back up. It died down for a little bit there. I was able to fly my drone. But now it's really starting to come down. And look at this ice, man. This is becoming a little bit of bullshit. Just a little bit. I mean, holy shit, that hurt. Shit, fall down and break the goddamn window. Man, that's bad. I got socks full of rock salt. They're really not doing much of anything. They're just creating bigger icicles, it seems. I don't know. Right now, I'm gonna go and plow a little bit here in front of the door, and because I got a guy coming, he's gonna plow the entire driveway. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this again here, get closer to the driveway. I actually got well, I'm not gonna bring that up. Oh man, we've already gotten, well, you know what, let's measure it. How about that? Get a tape measure here. Right here. Let's see, where's a good spot? Where would be a flat level surface that would gain snow? I'm not sure. Oh, I know. Amanda just shoveled off her flower bed box. Let's do that. She shoveled it off the day before. Well, yesterday. Holy crap. Wow. We got a lot of snow, guys. We got a lot of snow. She shoveled that off yesterday before it started snowing really bad. So I'd say we got a foot. Exactly. 1 foot. Holy hell. That's quite a bit. Wow, it's coming down. It's beautiful. It's just gorgeous. I gotta clean the top of that off too. Oh, my poor house. Alright, let's get this beast started.